students, I am glad to see you again. I am Rohania Saripada Mutin from Pualas National High School, Division of Lanao del Sur 2, your senior high school teacher for oral communication. So make sure that you will learn and enjoy our class today together. So prepare your pen, your paper, and your self-learning module. Once again, we will explore the world of communication. So what are you waiting for? Let us get this started. Last time, we talked about speech context and its types. I hope you already learned the types of communication in various communication situations. It's been a fulfilling moment when our communication is enhanced amidst these challenging time. We believe that communication is an exchange of information between a sender and a receiver. However, this is not that simple in this present age. We need to communicate in order to establish relationship and to have a better understanding. Although there are times that miscommunication occurs. And that is why it is important to take account of what you say and how you relay information. Our lesson objectives for today's lessons are the following. Distinguish various types of communication strategies. Find appropriate strategies to use in a given situation. Use the strategies effectively in communicating. Communication strategies are blueprints for how the information will be exchanged. So how are you going to maintain good communications? Let us find out as we begin to discuss the types of communicative strategies. According to Cohen, strategies must be used to start and maintain a conversation. Knowing and applying grammar appropriately is one of the most basic strategies to maintain a conversation. So here are the strategies for effective communication. The first one is denomination. It's employed when you try to open a topic with the people you are talking to. You may start off with new inquiries and new announcement as they promise extended talk. This could signal the beginning of a new topic in the conversation. Another example is when you are going to ask an information to someone just like your teacher. Look at this picture. What can you say about it? Okay, you are correct. This may actually means stop. This could be illustrated to the second type of communicative strategies, which is called restriction. This refers to any limitation you may have as a speaker. You are given specific instruction that you must follow. These instructions confine you as a speaker and limit what you can say. So here is another example as you can see in this picture. Class, let us watch this short clip. Okay, what have you noticed in that video? Okay, very good. There is a problem in their communication. Because each of them does not want to give other a chance to speak or explain his or her side. So that is where the third type of communicative strategies will be used, which is called turn-taking. This pertains to the process by which people decide who takes the conversation floor. There is a code of behavior behind establishing and nourishing a productive conversation. But the primary idea is to give all the communicators a chance to speak. Try to look at this picture. What have you noticed? Okay, very good. There is an exchange of information between these people. And that is an example of the type of communicative strategies which is called the turn-taking. The fourth type is the topic control. It covers how procedural formality or informality affects the development of topic in conversations. This is achieved cooperatively. When a topic is initiated, it should be collectively developed by avoiding unnecessary interruptions and topic shifts. You can say yes, okay, go on, or asking tag questions to be actively involved without dominating. Okay, class, do you have any questions about it? Okay, I guess you don't have. So let us move on to the another type of communicative strategies, which is called topic shifting. It involves moving from one topic to another. You have to be very intuitive. You may say, by the way, in addition to what you said, and the like. So here is an example that shows the type of communicative strategies which is called topic shifting. Okay class, how do you describe this sign? Okay, very good. This sign expresses the sign of a repair, in which a repair is another type of communicative strategies. This refers to how speakers address the problem in speaking, listening, and comprehending that they may encounter in a conversation. For example, if everybody in the conversations seems to talk at the same time, give way and appreciate others' initiative to set the conversation back to its topic. And that is another type of communicative strategies which is called repair. Try to look at this picture. What have you observed? Okay, you are correct. This picture actually shows a dismissal or termination, in which actually this leads us to the seventh type of communicative strategies, which is called termination. This refers to the conversation participants' close initiating expression that end a topic in a conversation. Most of the time, the one who initiated the conversation takes responsibility to signal the concluding cues. You can actually do this by sharing what you learned and complete the discussion of the topic. If you will be able to use these strategies well, you will be good in handling conversations. You will avoid miscommunications. However, you must also consider the various situations. You must choose your words wisely because what you say must depend on what the situation calls for. For example, if you are just talking with your friends, it is alright to be casual, and when you start and end the conversation, you need not to be formal. Meanwhile, if you are in a formal situation, you must start and control the conversation with care. Be polite whenever you can. You have nothing to lose if you do that. Okay class, to assess you, here is your assignment. You may answer this activity on your notebook. Create a dialogue or conversations between or among people in which the strategies discussed are used effectively. Take note of the situation given and make sure that you apply the strategy or strategies appropriately. So, here are the situations that you need to analyze. hope that you will use the appropriate strategy or strategies to the given situations. So, you must be able to employ these communicative strategies appropriately in any situations. You did great, class. This is all for our topic today, and thank you for listening. Once again, I am Ma'am Rohania, your teacher for oral communication. See you again!